Hey there, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to share a delicious recipe that I created during my cafe days. I noticed that people loved halloumi, so I came up with a dish that I called bruschetta, and it became a staple on the menu. It was so popular that I couldn't take it off. This dish is really simple and really quick to make, which makes it perfect for food service and perfect for a quick brunch or lunch or dinner. Before I begin cooking, I prep the ingredients. I slice some grape tomatoes or cherry tomatoes in half and thinly slice some red onion, peel a couple of cloves of garlic and chiffonade some basil, which is just a fancy way of saying I stack the basil leaves, roll them up and thinly slice them with a sharp knife. And of course I slice some halloumi into fairly thick slices and pat off any excess moisture. I also cut up some big slices of sourdough on the diagonal and sprinkle a little olive oil over them. I warm up 2 pans, one for the toast and another for the halloumi. You could totally use your toaster for the bread instead if you prefer. Drizzling a little olive oil in the pan, I place the halloumi in over a moderately low heat. You don't want the heat to be too high as halloumi burns easily and I'm after a golden brown colour. Next I place the bread into the fry pan oiled side down and then drizzle a little olive oil on top. I fry both the halloumi and the bread, turning them frequently, adjusting the heat and shaking the pan until both the halloumi and the bread are golden brown. This takes about 5 to 8 minutes. Once the toast is hot and crispy, I take it out the pan and immediately rub the garlic cloves all over the toast. The garlic will almost melt and the aroma is amazing. Then I place the halloumi on top of the toast. I sprinkle over the tomatoes and then the red onions, and then I sprinkle over the caramelised balsamic. It's really important to use caramelised balsamic, not the regular balsamic. You can find this balsamic at most supermarkets. Sometimes it's called balsamic glaze, or you can make your own. At the cafe I used to make my own because it was way more economical and really easy actually. I'll post a video about that in the future. Lastly, I sprinkle over the beautiful green basil, and there you have it, a delicious halloumi bruschetta that's really sure to impress. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoy making this dish. It's really yum. See you again soon.